Let's be honest, if you could, you would own every brush released by Essence, right? But in the end, you always end up using your favorite ones. That's why in today's video, I'll show you my absolute essentials. So, let's get started, shall we? The foundation is our base, so the right tool for this part is crucial for a nice outcome. My favorite is the Essence Makeup Buffer Brush. The flat top allows you to pick up and apply creamy and liquid textures evenly. Pro tip, tap the products on your face to get a flawless finish. Time to bake, and I ain't talking about cookies. You might think I thought we're talking about brushes, but I had to add this little friend, the Essence Makeup and Baking Sponge. So, some use it to apply their foundation and concealer. With its round and flat sides, to me it's perfect for the baking technique. Also, it's latex free, yay! Did that party keep you up all night? Don't worry, concealer got your back and I got the perfect tool. The Essence 2-in-1 color correcting and contouring brush comes with two sides. The short one helps you apply the concealer to fix any unwanted spots. For small contouring, you can use the longer side. Who doesn't love a fresh and nice tan? If you couldn't catch the sun lately, bronzer will be your best friend. The Essence Bronzer Brush is perfect for that sun-kissed bronze or any powders you'd like to apply. The pointed bristles cut helps you work precisely. Are you the blush type? Cause I am! And this baby right here comes in just handy. The Essence Blush Brush has very soft bristles bound in a diagonal cut. It will blend in your blush very well and give you that sweet and shy look. What's the most important lesson you ever learned for applying eyeshadow? Blending! You're all covered for that with the Essence Eye Blender Brush. It has soft long bristles and is super easy to blend your eyeshadow with. I got another gem, the Essence Angled Crease Brush. With its angled curved head, it's perfect to apply your eyeshadow all over your eyelid, but you can also create a dramatic cat eye. Just like the previous one, this brush is also great for blending and gives your shadow a nice and soft fade on the skin. If you like this drugstore video, you will love this awesome video too.